So this is your kit for experiment number 2. This is over voltage relay with testing kit. You can do microprocessor. This is having a microprocessor based relay. Similar kit is available for under voltage. This is your kit for under voltage relay with testing. So these are microprocessor based kit. Both are having same circuit, just you can change the settings of the relay and you can have different operations. So this is the circuit diagram. This is your supply. The supply is coming, you are measuring the supply voltage from this side on this voltmeter. Then you have your variac. This is the variac. Then you have your circuit breaker which is present inside, and this is the output side of the transformer, and it is giving input to the relay. ठीक. So we are going to test the relay, and these are the buttons. This is to reset the any previous programmings of the relay. This is for turning on the kit, and this is for turning off the kit. This is set mode and test mode. When we are going to set the timer for the relay, we are going to keep it on set mode, and when we are going to test the relay, then we are going to keep it on test mode. ठीक. So while plotting the characteristics, we are going to keep it on test mode. These are the meters on the front panel. This is your voltmeter, and this is your time settings. You can change the time settings from these different menus available here for different digits and for different times. ठीक. So you can change the timings of the system. Then this is when your CB is going to turn on, then this light is going to turn on. This is your trip. When the circuit has tripped, then this is going to turn on. ठीक. Then the power kit is on, so this is on, and this is your fuse for the system. ठीक. So in case of any fault, this fuse will go off, and this is the MCB for protection. And this is your relay. This is your MV12 relay, LNT over voltage and under voltage relay. So over voltage means when your voltage will go above the reference, above a certain voltage, then your relay is going to work. And if your voltage is going down below a certain reference, then your relay is going to work. So you can change the settings of this relay. There are settings inside, so you can change it whether it's going to work on over voltage or under voltage. Right now it's working as over voltage relay. Okay, so these are the settings for voltage settings. Okay, so this is your VN, your reference voltage, which is 110 volt here. This relay is going to work on 110 volt. This is 1 plus minus 0.005 plus summation of A. A is the setting of these settings of the relay. Okay, so whatever setting we are going to turn on. So suppose I turn on 0.04. So this is 0.05 plus summation of 0.04. If I turn on two switches, 0.6 and 0.2, so 0.05 plus 0.4 plus 0.2. Okay, so like this, your reference voltage will come out from this formula, and your reference time will come out from this formula. So like this formula, you have this formula also. K can be changed from inside of this kit. These are the K settings, 1, 110 or 100 seconds. Okay? And these are the times. So whatever time setting you are going to check, you can get the time setting from here. ठीक है. So ये आप set कर सकते हो, voltage setting and time setting. So voltage setting and time settings you can set, and then you can check your kit for you can plot the characteristics of the relay. ठीक है. So this is the working of the relay. If your no switches are turned on, then you can see it from the manual at what voltage you are going to have what setting. So this is for over voltage. When all the switches are turned off, the reference voltage is 115. Means whenever the voltage is going to go above 115, the relay is going to trip. ठीक. So as you turn on one switch, then it's going to increase to 125. Then for third switch 135. So like this you have a reference table here. You can see the different ratings. So if you want to increase, if you suppose we want a reference setting of 205, so this and this switch should be turned on and rest of the switches should be turned off. Okay, so this is for over voltage and similarly you have it for under voltage. ठीक, सेम किट होती है, सेम रिले है, बट द सेटिंग्स ऑफ द रिले आर डिफरेंट. ठीक, so same relay will work for over voltage as well as for under voltage. Now we will perform the experiment.
Now slowly increase the voltage to at 230 volt. Set the supply voltage to 230 volt. Now switch on the kit. Set the time at 90 seconds. Press first switch. 90 seconds. Now set this switch into test mode and set the maximum voltage. Switch on at 232 volt. 232 volt is the supply voltage, fault voltage, and the trip time is 0.35 seconds. Now reset it. Press the reset switch until the trip light is off. Decrease the voltage. Now set to 10 volt. Decrease the voltage at the interval of 20 volt. Now again switch on. Now to 10 volt. The trip time is 0.46 seconds. As we decrease the voltage, the tripping time is also increases. This is shows the characteristics of IDMT characteristics.
The same experiment with under voltage.
Again set the supply voltage to 230 volt. Switch on. Set the timer at 90 seconds. Set the fault voltage to minimum at 0 volt for under voltage. Now set this switch to test mode. Switch on again. Zero volt. Trip time is 8.78 seconds.
This is the time taken by the relay to operate the circuit breaker.
Now again reset it. Increase the voltage 10 volt. In this kit you increase the voltage at the interval of 10 volt up to 90 volt because the reference voltage is set here is 95 volt. Above now 95 volt the relay is not tripping. Again switch on. Now 10 volt reference time is 8.11 second. $20. .17 second. As you increase the voltage, the trip time also increases.